Hi, it's Stephies, Beads, and Baubles, and I just have a little video to show you some stuff I got in the mail. I'm going to start real quick with this order from Cartwright's, and the reason I'm showing you this is I got these whitest white, which say they're slightly cupped. You get 1,000 count, 5mm, and you get them right now for 75 cents a bag, which is half price. I could not believe my eyes. I wanted a nice white sequin to set off the bright shimmery colors, because when I use something shimmery and red and green, it's really nice to offset it with something that's not shimmery. And unfortunately, some of your iridescent whites are very pink. And if you don't want pink in your ornament, and some of mine have pink because I use those, it kind of, I don't like how it looks. So I bought 20 bags from Cartwright's. Now here is who I got it from. Cartwright Sequins. And if you look at their email address, it's 2 C's. I don't know why. Maybe the other Cartwright's was already taken, but it's cartwright.com, not Cartwright's. But if you put Cartwright Sequins into your browser, they'll pop right up. I got the flowers, the upper flowers that I used in this last video I did, and the little tiny pink in the center, and the seed bead around the edge, all from Cartwright's. So I absolutely love them. I'm not affiliated with them. They just know me as somebody that has spent hundreds of dollars over the last 10 years in their store. So I wanted to show you that, but that wasn't the main thing I wanted to show you. Let me get back to my Happy Mail. Now I've shown you hauls over the last 6 months that I've been doing this, and this isn't a haul per se. This is a wonderful gift from a friend. Her name is V. She has V Will Designs. She makes gorgeous jewelry, and she started working on junk journals. And she even has a little YouTube channel now too that she just started just to show her stuff. She's not really promoting it, but she's just showing what she's making, and they're just real quick and fun videos showing her junk journals. She did a tour of her studio in there too. But she sent me the most wonderful box of goodies. So let me start with this cool goat cookie cutter. As you know me, if you know me at all from these videos, you know I'm a cookie cutter junkie. That's how I make a lot of my ornaments, is with these cookie cutters. And she texted me the other day and asked if I had this hammer, and I said no. And then she surprised me with the goat. And I'm planning on doing a farm theme where I do the tractor and the different animals, and now we have a goat. So that's exciting. She also sent my granddaughter a few little goodies. She's 17 months, going to be 18 soon. She sent her these cute little sunglasses, which I'm trying to get a picture of her in, and this little bit of jewelry, which she cannot play with the ring yet, but she does play with the bracelet. And she sent her this book here, which she's kind of, excuse my computer in the background, this beautiful, not beautiful, but fun little book, alphabet book that you can see she's kind of loved already. She's kind of wrinkled it up, but she's enjoyed it. She also sent her, I think there's one more that I didn't find in her toy box. It's buried in the bottom. But the first Bible lookbook and parables of the Bible. And these are the cardboard books for babies, and she loves books. So she's excited. Now, Happy Bird, Lori, had a couple crafts where she used these beautiful rags from the Dollar Tree that are soft, furry type material. And I couldn't find them at my Dollar Tree. Well, V heard me say that, or read it, and she picked me up one from her Dollar Tree. And she sent me, and it's a lot of fabric. I'll pan back a little bit. It's a lot. It's a big piece of fabric. It's supposed to be a car chamois, I think. So I'm very excited about that. And she sent me this cool navy and yellow felt. As you know, that's another big obsession of mine, is felt. And someday I will show you, see that big top drawer over there? That is completely full of felt. You can see how deep it is. You can see how wide it is. That's all felt. And it's kind of a mess right now. Another thing she did is she sent me some stickers, which I can make some fun stuff for my granddaughters. This one's got Disney princesses. One's kind of hidden, but you can tell that's, I think, Belle, isn't it? Or who is that? Cinderella is in blue, isn't she? I don't know. One of them's down there in blue. And then she sent me 2 of these Mickey Mouse, and I took one out to show you. They're the 3-dimensional, really cool Disney Mickey and Minnie Mouse stickers. And she sent me 2 of the same. And they're just adorable. And then she sent me these wonderful stamp sets. Here's Frozen with the ink pad and the stamps. And this one's another Mickey Mouse. How cool is that? Hold on 1 minute while I turn off the volume on my computer. It's showing me messages since I just turned it on. Now another thing V sent me, she knows I've been working on some of the marble, the flat marble jewelry that I'm going to be sharing with you. And she knew I had a few questions on one of the projects I was doing, so she sent me some ideas. But she also sent me some more of the marbles. And if you can look in there, you can see there's some rings and barrettes that with some E6000 I can glue my finished projects on. So I thought that was a very thoughtful gift. I love this. It's some fibers. And you can use that for all kinds of cool stuff. All different kinds of fibers. And then she sent me these earrings. And those will be fun to share with my granddaughters. Well, I think I only have one granddaughter with pierced ears. She's 18, believe it or not. And here's a bunch of fun stickers I can use in all kinds of great crafts. Look at those cats. Are they adorable or what? Oh my gosh. They're so much fun. But look at this doll. It's an angel. I'm going to pull back so you can see her. She's got a little dress on. And she's got little wings in the back. And the cool hair. And I would do the eyes a little bit different, I think. But she's great. But she came with the pattern for the doll and the dress. Some tulle already cut into like a scallop shape. Look at this. A whole bunch of it cut up into a scallop shape, which these wings aren't even cut in the scallop shape. So that's even better. And then some more of the felt that was made to make the doll, or used to make the doll. So that will be a fun project to work on. And then she knows me so well, and she's contributed a lot to my beads and sequins already. But look at this little tube of vintage bugle beads. It's got the old plastic tube. It was, let me see if we pull the price off of it. You can see the label or not. It's an old one. And are those cool or what? Such a neat green. And then she sent me some green seed beads. Get the sticker off my finger. Some big silver, which I needed this size. I do not have any giant silver. I have a lot of medium and small and even tiny. But I needed some of these big ones, so I'm pretty thrilled with that. And then look at these. These are definitely a vintage. And they have the hole at the top corner so that they hang like a diamond. So these would be great if you're doing a little fairy house ornament or some kind of fish scale. A mermaid or a fish. They'd be fun on. And then she sent me 2 of these adorable charms. Aren't those beautiful? I think they're so pretty. It's a double heart. And those could be a charm or an earring. A set of earrings. Because there's 2 of them. Let me get them together. So I just wanted to share all the goodies I got. I got both of these within a couple days, but I just hadn't had time to get a video done. So thank you, V, so much. And I just am so excited to have all these things. So now I get to put them all away. I wasn't going to do that till I shared them. So thank you so much. I'll be back soon with that angel video, and then I'll be working on the little penguin. So I will talk to you soon. Bye.